Hello Israel, it's me Seven Heaven coming to you again with another video. Okay, we're gonna listen to them talk about asteroids being headed or hitting Earth. I have no rights to the video or music, strictly for educational purposes only. Hear that, YouTube? Let's get into the video.
Spotted a new asteroid with the potential to hit Earth. The object, known as 2023DW, has a diameter of about 50 meters, 164 feet, which is about the size of an Olympic-sized swimming pool. The asteroid takes 271 days to orbit the Sun. Calculations show the asteroid might collide with Earth sometime in February 2046, around Valentine's Day. How ironic to disappear on the day of love. Even though scientists tracking the object have calculated there's a 1 in 600 or 0.18% chance of collision with Earth, they agree that it's still early to conclude anything and that it takes several weeks of data to reduce the uncertainties and adequately predict their orbits years into the future. Asteroid 2023DW is currently at the top of the risk list maintained by the European Space Agency. The list identifies the currently known asteroids with the highest chance of impact. Even on NASA's risk list, the asteroid is the only object that ranks 1 out of 10 on the Torino Impact Hazard Scale. The Torino Scale is a method for categorizing the potential impact hazard associated with a near-Earth object, NEO, such as an asteroid or comet. The scale was developed in 1999 by a group of scientists at a meeting in Torino, Italy, hence the name. The Torino scale ranges from 0 to 10 and is based on two factors, the likelihood of impact and the potential severity of the impact. The likelihood of impact is determined by the object's orbit and its estimated probability of colliding with Earth, and the potential severity of the impact is determined by the object's size, speed, and composition. A Torino scale rating of 0 indicates that the likelihood of impact is 0 or very low, while a rating of 10 indicates that a global environmental disaster is certain, with the potential to cause a mass extinction event. A Torino Scale 1, which asteroid 2023DW is part of, indicates that an object has been identified as having a low probability of impacting the Earth in the distant future, typically many decades or centuries from now, and poses no immediate danger of impact. While this is the lowest level on the scale and indicates that the likelihood of an impact is very low, further observations and analysis of the object's orbit and trajectory may be needed to refine the probability of impact and determine whether it poses a greater risk in the future. The Torino scale is designed to provide a standardized way for scientists, policymakers, and the public to communicate about the potential threat posed by NEOs. It helps to prioritize the need for further observations and analysis of NEOs and to plan appropriate responses if an impact threat is identified. But what if the asteroid hit Earth? The effects of a 50-meter asteroid's impact on Earth would depend on several factors, including the composition of the asteroid, the location and angle of impact, and the speed at which it struck. If the asteroid were made of dense materials such as iron, it could penetrate Earth's atmosphere and strike the ground with incredible force. This impact would create a crater several hundred meters wide and several tens of meters deep, ejecting debris into the surrounding area. Objects of similar size have hit Earth before, including the impact some 50,000 years ago that left a meteor crater in modern-day Arizona. On the other hand, if the asteroid were to hit the ocean, it would create a large tidal wave, or tsunami, which could cause widespread destruction along coastlines. The impact of a 50-meter asteroid would likely cause significant damage in the immediate area of impact, and potentially lead to some loss of life. However, it would not be large enough to cause global devastation or extinction-level events, such as the 12-kilometer-wide, 7.5 miles, dinosaur-killing asteroid that crashed to Earth 66 million years ago. A meteor less than half the size of 2023DW exploded in the city of Chelyabinsk, Russia in 2013, releasing energy equivalent to about 55 kilotons of TNT, which is more than 30 times the energy of the atomic bomb that was dropped on Hiroshima during World War II. The explosion of the Chelyabinsk meteor caused widespread damage in the area, shattering windows and damaging buildings. Around 1,500 people were injured by flying glass and debris, although fortunately, no one was killed. The event was a stark reminder of the potential danger posed by asteroids and other space debris that orbit the Earth. While the likelihood of an impact with 2023 DW is low, it is essential to remain vigilant about the threat of potentially hazardous asteroids. Scientists around the world are working tirelessly to develop and test methods to protect our planet. Recently, NASA scientists confirmed that the agency's Double Asteroid Redirection Test, DART mission, had successfully altered the trajectory of a small asteroid after slamming a spacecraft into it. The success of this mission has sparked further interest in this technique, and additional missions are planned to refine its effectiveness. As we continue to improve our understanding and capabilities to protect Earth, we can rest assured that we're taking concrete steps to ensure our safety and that of future generations. Don't forget to watch the video on the
Much
right
love,
and
Israel.
subscribe. Thanks for being